At this particular remote site up in Nunavut, Canada, the customer, Machine Roger, was having a difficult time with the rock conditions there. It was very abrasive and very hard rock conditions. Their standard bit that they were using at that time, they were getting between 10 and 15 meters per bit.
Machine Roger, it's a drilling contractor. Our main business is for long hole drilling. It's 100% underground drilling, and we're drilling all over Canada. So when we started drilling on that site, we were facing a big problem. The rock conditions were really abrasive, something that I never seen.
The first challenge was the bit sharpening, because the longevity of the bit was 15 meters on the best case. With the 15 meter bits, we have to change the bit maybe 3, 4, and sometimes close to 10 times the bit just for one hole. And sometimes that bit getting so much small that we're not able to finish the hole.
I mean, the whole idea was that they were having an issue at their particular mine site, and we kind of stepped in and said, hey, we've got this technology, let's try it out. The Powerbit X is it is a brand new technology from Epiroc. It's a PCD layer that's put on top of the carbide bits, and then it's basically centered into place and then inserted into the bit itself. So for the past year, we've been providing them bits, between 10 and 12 bits per month, and they're averaging around 700 meters per bit in this particular tough, difficult, abrasive rock conditions.
For our contract, we have to send a lot of bit, and with a PCD bit, we use only between 10 or 12 bit a month. And with the other bit, and with the best bit we got, we use around 60 and 80 bit per month. We got around 75 meter for the lifetime of the bit. And right now with the Powerbit X, we got 500 and sometimes more than that. Sometimes we reach over 1,000 meter, which it's impossible with normal bit.
The production went back up to the goal they want to reach. So that was not only about having a solution for the bit lifetime, but that was more about meeting the performance rate we were looking at. So that was a win-win situation for sure.
Since working with Epiroc, we've demoed many styles of their bits, probably 6 or 7 at least now, and worked with them, and then they come back with this Power X bit, and it's been a game changer for us. Our productions went up, the guys are less stressed, everything's been good with it. The collaboration's been good. They hear what we're saying, they try to help us improve, they're trying to improve their quality of bits. So it's been good to work with them. They get our feedback, give us some.
They're fine-tuning their process, we're providing them the product, and between the two of us, we're kind of able to kind of hit all the targets, if not exceed the targets, and the end customer is happy.
There's a commercial side for the benefits. I mean, if we're drilling more, we're doing more money. At the end, it's more efficient for everybody. But at the end, there's more than this. On the LT side of the business, each time you're handling rods, it's physical for people. So if they have to do 6 times the bit change they usually do, it's more physical work. So that bit change, more than just production and money that goes over that, it's LT-wise for everybody as well.
For the 30 meter hole, you're supposed to carry 30 meter of rod. But when you have to change a bit 5 or 7 times, you carry more rod than expected. The weight is 60 pounds.
The power bits have made our day-to-day way easier. You're not tired at the end of the day. You're not doing a bunch of fatigue on your body. All the strains and sprains of lifting rods in and out all the time. So instead of tripping 30, 40, 50 times a day, now you're down to, say you do 6 holes, so you trip 6 times.
The other thing that it is well suited for is automation. So that is kind of the future, trying to automate the drill bit technology or the drilling technology. So you could actually work it from surface or work it from a remote site. And to do that, you would need to have an application where you don't have to keep going down underground to change the bit. You run it from surface, you run it for the whole shift, maybe multiple shifts, before you need to go down there and do maintenance on the drill rig itself and change the bit at that time. So, I mean, it is a premium product. There is a cost implication, but when you look at that cost versus the amount of savings that they get over time, in total, the delta is total savings.
We are really productive, cost efficient as well, but we're still working together to develop the bits and having the best bit we could have. If we could do better, why not?
The fact that we've got customers that we can work well with together helps us and it helps them move this product forward into the future.